Welcome to the Groups tutorial from Professor Assessor. As well as adding classes, school administrators can now add groups. Simply select whether you are adding a class or a group. A class is a normal school class, and pupils can only be added to one class. Groups can be used in addition to classes, for example, for intervention groups. Pupils can be added into groups, as well as their class. When adding an assessment, teachers can now select their class, or a group. Whole class analysis can include results from all assessments set for each pupil. These assessments may have been set for their class, or, for any groups the pupils have been added to. To see results for assessments set only for a class or group, then select the option and click the search button. Similar functionality is also available when viewing pupil analysis and the home learning record.
This tutorial was brought to you by Professor Assessor Limited.